Wisconsin to Port Washington, Wisconsin. Lake Michigan from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to North Port Light, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake until 7 p.m. At 5:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 11 nautical miles southwest of Denmark, or 15 nautical miles northwest of Manitowoc, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Now here is the hazard